Hello everyone, this is Kaushal Sharma. I hope you are good and safe and welcome on Infinity Plus channel. Today I will show you some new concept and design features by the help of Autodesk Fusion 360. Today we will be prepare a 3D model of cup and plate. So by this we can understand some new concept and design features easily. So don't waste the time. Let's get started now. First of all, select the create sketch and now select the plane. So we are making the cup and select the line, and I will go from the origin up to 70 mm long. It will be the height of our cup. So and this is the width of our cup up to 50 mm and enter. Now again click on the line and give the 30 mm length for our base of the cup and select the spline for the curve shape of this cup, and now delete this and finish the sketch. So choose the profile and we will do the revolve. This is the profile and this is axis, and okay. So now we have to do flat. We have to do flat in on this edge. Choose this edge and give the 10 mm radius and click the OK. So now we want to do shell on this side. So select this face and give 4 mm thickness. The inner thickness is 4 mm. Done. Now do again flat on these two edges. Select this edges and give 2 mm radius. It will be fine. Okay. So now next is our handle of the cup. It is looking like a bowl, but we have to make a handle for our cup. So select the again create a sketch, and now we have to make a handle. So create a sketch and select the plane. So choose again the spline for the curvy shape of the handles. So try to give the shape of the handle like this. And it is okay. Now finish the sketch. So again we have to go to the construct and go to the plane through to the face at point and select the face and point both, and it will give the help for the offset. Now select the offset -2 mm. Okay, now again go to the sketch and make give the section, give the section shape by the uh, center rectangle. Give the dimensions 8 mm width and 12 mm height. For shifting you can use the tab button and do this. Now finish the sketch and do the sweep. Select this profile and select the path, and that is our path. And join, select the join and OK. So it is looking like this, and this is fine and OK. So next is our plate. So we will try to make a plate for our cup. So select the create sketch and the plane, and we will do the same steps for our plate. So we are making the section of our plate by the help of line 90° up to 12 mm height, and do the same for this. Yeah, 100 mm, it is fine. Okay, now do the spline again for the curvy shape of the plate. Zoom and touch to the point. Okay, now finish the sketch. Now again we will revolve this sketch. Select the profile and do the revolve. This is the revolve. Yeah, I have, and select the axis, that is okay. So it is looking like this. Now again go to the shell and give the 5 mm thickness. Yeah, and do the flat again on all these sides. For this I am giving 10 mm, and for this both these I will give again 2 mm radius. Okay, so it is looking like this, and we have prepared our cup and plate. So we have to make component from the body. So click, do the right click and go to the create component from the body and give the name. This is the cup. Yes, now again for the plate, give the plate. Yes, it's okay. Now we will do the, we will join both these components. Select this and this and okay. Yeah, it is looking good. Okay, so I want to see it without the layout guide. So uncheck this, this and this. Yeah, this is, and uncheck the joints, hide the joints, sorry. And it is looking like this from the bottom right and inner area. So we have to give the color to our cup and plate. So go to the appearance and select the color. I will choose the paint. Where is paint? This is the paint. Yeah. Go to the paint and glossary and select whatever you want. I want red color of cup and yellow color of plate. Yellow color for plate. Yeah. Yeah, you can see it's looking like this. So it is looking much better. Now close. So again, this is the remaining portion of our handle, so we want to delete it. So select this face and press the delete button. Yes, it is working. And for the similar for this, yeah. So now it is completed and looking good. I hope you like this. So uh, we can do the flat here also, 2 mm. Okay, and for this again select the flat and give the 2 mm radius. It's looking better now. I hope you like this video. If you have any question related this video, don't forget to comment in the comment box. I will give your replies positively, and don't forget to share as well. I hope to see you soon in another video. Thank you for watching this video, and for more videos please subscribe my channel Infinity Plus. Thank you.